Let us discuss the next set of problems in 1A. You have a bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, b bar is equal to I plus j minus k, and c bar is equal to I minus j plus k. Then compute a bar cross b bar cross c bar and verify whether it is perpendicular to A. Now consider, in order to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar, first we'll find b bar cross c bar. B bar cross c bar is I j k, b bar 1 1 minus 1, c bar 1 minus 1 1, I into 1 minus 1 plus j minus j into 1 plus 1 plus k into minus 1 minus 1. So this is I into 0 minus j into 2 plus k into minus 2. So this is nothing but minus 2j minus 2k. Now you have to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar. That is nothing but I j k. What is a bar? 2 3 4. B bar cross c bar 0 minus 2 minus 2. So this is nothing but I into minus 6 plus 8 minus j into minus 4 minus 0 plus k into minus 4 minus 0 minus 0. Now 8 minus 6, this is 2i plus 4j minus 4k. So you got a bar cross b bar cross c bar is 2i plus 4j minus 4k. Now you consider a bar cross b bar cross c bar dot a bar, that is 2i plus 4j minus 4k dot a bar. A bar is 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Now this is nothing but 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12, minus 4 into 4 minus 16. This is 16 minus 16, which is 0. Therefore a bar cross b bar cross c bar is perpendicular to a bar. Because the dot product is 0, a bar cross b bar cross c bar is perpendicular to a bar. Let us discuss the next problem. (128) If a bar, b bar, c bar are unit coplanar vectors, then find 2a bar minus b bar 2b bar minus c bar, 2c bar minus a bar. You have to find box of this. Consider box of 2a bar minus b bar, 2b bar minus c bar, 2c bar minus a bar. So box of this is nothing but determinant of 2 minus 1 1 0, 0 2 minus 1, minus 1 0 2 into box ABC. So this is nothing but 2 into 4 minus 0 plus 1 into minus into minus plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 2, 0 plus 2. Minus into minus will become plus, so you get 0 plus 2, box ABC. So this is nothing but 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 1 plus 0 to box ABC. That is 7 into 0, which is equal to 0. Since modulus of a bar is equal to modulus of b bar is equal to modulus of c bar is equal to 1. Because they have given that they are unique coplanar vectors. Whenever these are unique coplanar vectors, the box of ABC will be 0. That's about that problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Find the volume of tetrahedron whose vertices are 1 2 1, 3 2 5, 2 minus 1 0, minus 1 0 1. You have to find the volume of the tetrahedron. Okay, let OA bar is equal to I plus 2j plus k, OB bar is equal to 3i plus 2j plus 5k, OC bar is equal to 2i minus j plus 0, OD bar is equal to minus I plus k. Now let us find the co-initial vectors now. AB is equal to OB minus OA, that is 3i plus 2j plus 5k minus I plus 2j plus k. So this is nothing but 3i plus 2j plus 5k minus I minus 2j minus k, 3i minus I, 2i plus 2j minus 2j cancel, 5k minus k plus 4k. So first one is 2i plus 4k. Next let us find AC bar. AC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar. OC bar is 2i minus j plus 0 minus OA I plus 2j plus k. So this is 2i minus j minus I minus 2j minus k, 2i minus I minus j minus 2j minus 3j minus k. So it is I minus 3j minus k. Yes. Then you have to find AD. OD minus OA. What is OD? Minus I plus k minus OA. I plus 2j plus k. Minus I plus k minus I minus 2j minus k. Plus I minus I cancel, plus k minus k cancel. This is minus I, no, both are minus I only, so you cannot cancel. Minus I plus k, minus I minus 2j minus k, plus k minus k cancel. So you have minus 2I minus 2j. Now, volume of tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is equal to 1 by 6 AB, AC, AD. That is 1 by 6 into 204 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 0. That is 1 by 6 into 2 into 0 minus 2 minus 0 into 0 minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 6. So this is nothing but 1 by 6 minus 4 minus 32, which is minus 36 by 6, which is 36 by 6, which is 6 cubic units. So the volume of the tetrahedron is 6 cubic units. So that's about this problem. We shall continue with the next problem. Let us do the next set of problems in product of vectors. If theta is the angle between the vectors I bar plus j bar and j bar plus k bar, find sin theta. We have sin theta is equal to a bar cross b bar by modulus of a bar into modulus of b bar. Consider a bar cross b bar, that is I j k 1 1 0 0 1 1, that is 1 into 1 minus 0 into I minus j into 1 minus 0 plus k into 1 minus 0. This is I minus j plus k. Modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to under root of 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 square, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. modulus of a bar is equal to root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Modulus of b bar 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by root 2 into root 2. Sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That is about this problem. Let us discuss the next problem. Second one, if a bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar and a bar cross b bar is equal to a bar cross c bar, show that b bar is equal to c bar. Now consider a bar dot b bar is equal to, here you have one condition, a bar is not equal to 0. A bar dot b bar is equal to a bar dot c bar. A bar dot b bar minus a bar dot c bar is equal to 0. A bar is equal to b bar minus a bar into b bar minus c bar is equal to 0. A bar is perpendicular to b bar minus c bar, perpendicular to b bar minus c bar. B bar minus c bar is equal to 0. Call this as 1. Again, a bar cross b bar is equal to a bar cross c bar. A bar cross b bar minus a bar cross c bar is equal to 0. A bar is into b bar minus c bar is equal to 0. A bar is parallel to a bar is parallel to b bar minus c bar. B bar minus c bar is equal to 0. Call this as 2. From 1 and 2, b bar minus c bar is equal to 0. B bar is equal to c bar. That's about this problem. Next problem. Modulus of a bar is equal to 13. Modulus of b bar is equal to 5. A bar dot b bar is equal to 60. Find modulus of a bar cross b bar. We have a formula. Modulus of a bar cross b bar whole square is equal to modulus of a bar square modulus of b bar square minus a bar b bar whole square. That is 13 square into 5 square minus 60 square. It's 169 into 25 minus 3600. That is 169 into 25. 5 9s are 45. You get 4225. So 4225 minus 3600, that is equal to 625. A bar cross b bar is equal to root of 625, which is equal to 25. So this you take it as a formula. A bar cross b bar whole square is modulus of a bar square into modulus of b bar square minus a bar dot b bar whole square. This you take it as a formula. let us discuss the next set of problem in the next class.